Hello, and welcome to Live from Thunderbird Radio Hell. Tonight we have Facepuller, right? Facepuller? Face, yes. I think as I'm yelling into this mic that it's going to start distorting. I was a bit, trepidation is the word as I was, I guess probably because of the windsock never being cleaned. Please, Brent, please tell me, move the mic here. Please, you're Facepuller.
Yes, I am.
I was scared when I went to this mic that it might be distorted.
It's fine now.
It's fine. Yes, it is. And this is Facepuller. They're going to be playing live from Thunderbird Radio Hell. We just heard a band called Rabid doing I Wanna Be Your Dog. Now, it was the second time we played I Wanna Be Your Dog tonight because we had local filmmaker Peter Lipskis out bring some of his films and some of his rare Vancouver punk recordings. So we apologize to listeners that we played I Wanna Be Your Dog twice. And this was from a 1978 tape that he had, all these 1978 bands. So before, long time ago, you heard the Public Boers, which was basically pre-modern Etsy, I Want to Be Your Dog. And then we just heard Rabid, featuring John Doe of the Scramblers. John Doe of the Scramblers. Now, the Scramblers were kicking out in Vancouver, 85, 86, maybe they died by 87. And between 87 and, say, 1990, there wasn't too much happening. But there was one band from Kilmer Road in North Vancouver, BC, Canada, that actually upset some other bands. There's a local band called Dirt, and there's a local band called the Smugglers. Now, before the Smugglers and Dirt could actually get vinyl out, who beat them? But Facepuller. So we moved from 1978 to 1991, 1992. Facepuller win the battle of getting vinyl out. Because after all these great bands broke up, nobody cared about vinyl, but Facepuller won the battle. And we welcome tonight on Live from Thunderbird Radio Hell, the rock and roll band Facepuller, minus the Jane Siberry attachments. Okay, Facepuller, play the blues!